Hi, I'm Ruth. I'm a senior application here at ABB. What you're looking at right now is the GoFa collaborative weld robot. This robot features Wizard Easy programming and an easy teach device that makes teaching weld seams very easy. First of all, if you wanted to teach a weld seam, you would just come up and activate lead through mode. So once you see the yellow LED, it's in lead through mode. Then, to store positions, you simply push a button. So in this case, I'm going to teach a move linear command. Then I can come down to my weld seam, and through the use of this knob, I could teach an arc start. Then I can move along my weld seam and I could teach an arc end. There it is, arc LN. Then I'll come away from the part, teach another movement, maybe teach one more. At this point I take it out of linear, and you can see that the instruction list has been created for this weld seam. I hit apply. The robot is then ready to run.